YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got another unboxing for you today. This is either my third or my fourth trade from Tradeblock. I don't know which one it is because I've got two Tradeblock boxes here and I don't remember which one was which. So right now I'm going to put it up on the screen, my trade. Let's give them some peace and quiet, some silence. Alright, Tradeblock did not sponsor this video.
But you know who did?
Yeah, do you know who did?
I know who did.
All right, everybody else, say it with me. Who sponsored
on the
this
count
video?
of three. One, two, three. Jesus. No, I said we're going to say it together.
The next one, they say it.
Oh.
I want to hear them say it.
Okay, guys, come on, say it.
Well, that's fine. We'll do that on the next one.
Okay.
But yes, Jesus. It was Jesus. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? Why are you forsaking me? Either way, that works. And in Hebrews 13:5, it says that God will never leave us or forsake us. When I read that, it's God is never going to leave me or forsake me. He's never going to turn his back on me because he forsook Jesus while he was on the cross. Instead of forsaking me, I trust that Jesus took all of the forsaking for me. Thank you for that sponsor, Jesus. All right. Again, Tradeblock. This is not a sponsored video. I just made a Tradeblock trade. I got two Tradeblock trades recently, and they were actually decent trades. No cash involved. I think I've got some cash in my Tradeblock account. I think Tradeblock's a little sneaky like that. I think somebody commented on my first Tradeblock trade video, which is when they sent me my shoes back because the Panda Dunks were used when they shouldn't have been used. And you know, my guy had an explanation. Might be true, might not be. I don't know. But I think I've got some money in my Tradeblock account, some cash from my second Tradeblock trade. Do you remember what my second Tradeblock trade was?
The Bad Bunnies.
No, one of these was the Bad Bunnies. Might be this one.
What?
Yeah.
We had different
No,
Bad
that was
Bunnies.
the first Tradeblock trade, but they sent me my Bad Bunnies back.
Oh.
So the second
Those
one.
fragment lasers.
Yes. Okay, this was what I received for and I think they gave me cash too for whatever shoe it was I sent them.
Those are fragments.
So right? I think no, those are calls.
Ooh. Oops. Cut that part
So I think
out.
I had some money sitting in my Tradeblock account, but I can't see the Tradeblock balance easily. And then when I got a trade offer, I didn't have to pay any fees. I think there was free shipping at the end of April, which is when I got these. And so there was no shipping, but the fees I think just came out of my account, so it didn't register. It didn't show me that I was paying anything. I think it might be sneaky like that. I didn't have a whole lot of money in there, and I was okay with these trades anyway. So what the heck? Again, I don't know which one this one is. I don't remember what I traded for this. It was either the Bad Bunnies or I don't know.
You almost got me. Not really.
Not really.
It just looked like it in the camera, and that's how I'm looking at you.
All right, I know what these are now.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Ooh, the Jordans.
The Jordans.
The Jordans.
This is the Air Jordan 1 Low G. Stands for gangsta, right?
Yeah.
What does it stand for?
Low G. I don't know.
Golf. Varsity red, black, and white. So I think I need to pay closer attention to this. Probably what I just said is that I don't think I paid anything, but maybe I did pay something. I just didn't see that I paid something. This is a 10.5, which I can wear. I thought this was an 11, and I know that this one was the same way, and we'll talk about that when we open that one. But anyways, this is the Air Jordan 1 Low G, which is what?
Golf.
Golf. Varsity red, black, and white. Chicago. This is my Tradeblock card.
Oh, I thought this was
This
like
package was closely inspected and authenticated by Tradeblock. Looks like DGDS maybe. Thanks DGDS. Thanks Tradeblock. This is my waterproof guarantee. Chicago.
Ooh.
You like it?
I do like those.
You don't wear much red, and neither do I. But I do like these golfs. They're very wearable. I've got I had two pairs of the Shadows. I think I still have one pair left. I don't think I got rid of the size 12. Yeah, I think I have the size 12 up there still, which is too big for me. Yeah, it's right there. But I sold the size 9.5 that I had to a friend of a friend, and he has worn these before. He wore the Shadows to a Atlanta United game. And he said they were very comfortable.
Is that soccer?
Just fine, yes. And they work just fine. So I may keep these because this cut on this, which we talked about in the golf video, The cut on this is almost exactly like a normal Jordan 1 low OG. Hey, do you know the only difference, like the only easily discernible difference between this and a non-golf real low OG, not the more recent low OGs, but the OG low OGs.
The difference between that and the golf?
And this golf. Other than the fact that this is a golf shoe.
I was going to say the things on the
look?
bottom. I have absolutely no idea.
Swooshes.
Oh, because it doesn't go all the way to the back.
No.
Oh, well then I have no idea.
Because the swooshes aren't big.
Oh.
The OG, one low OGs, had big oversized
Oh,
swooshes.
I know what you're talking about now.
They had big oversized swooshes.
Yes, but not big oversized like the Travis Scott.
Not quite that big, and they're not backwards, but
Well, yeah, not backwards.
it's more like the other side of the Travis Scott.
Yeah.
On the inside. But otherwise, this is like pretty much that cut. The Chicago of the OG low OG, and I say OG low OG because they're the newer one low OGs. There's some UNCs that I had in my must cop for this year that still haven't come out yet, and I haven't copped them yet.
Obviously.
they're the newer OGs, and I think we go back to the Ghost Green OGs that they all have normal size, new size swooshes, but the other OGs had bigger swooshes. So,
do most? Why does this look so weird?
What?
That the swoosh ends. Does it end like earlier? Like is the swoosh shorter than usual? Why does it look like that?
Same way on this.
Oh, maybe it's because it's not the same color as the one.
This one.
Because for some reason that just looks really weird to me.
Yeah. I've got some more one of those somewhere. But...
Up there.
Oh, yeah. But those are not OG cut.
Oh yeah, I see that.
This is OG cut. This is OG cut.
Okay.
But new style OG, because it kind of marries this with the small swoosh with the OG low.
Okay, yeah.
Because this is still missing the big swoosh.
Right.
But it still has the rest of the cuts.
Yes, got it.
Anyways, the leather on this is decent and it's waterproof,
Ooh.
which is just great for all around
golfing up a storm.
Another difference, you get Nike Air on the normal low OGs, and this one you get Jumpman Golf.
That's cute. I still think. Wait, didn't we get Jordan 4 golfs?
Yes.
I like those.
I didn't. Those are terrible.
Maybe the materials. I just like that they were 4s.
And then you get a swoosh golf on the bottom.
That's cute.
Yeah, the 4s from away, the golf 4s from a ways away look fine. They do the part, but I wouldn't wear them. This I would wear. This is a totally casually wearable shoe. It's not so stiff, so thick, or so grippy. It doesn't have spikes on it.
Maybe it'll feel like you have like a little. Maybe it'll make your feet feel good, like you're getting like a little bit of acupuncture or something. Yeah.
Needles.
Yeah, you have prongs on your feet.
These aren't needles.
I know they're not needles, but sometimes it might feel like it.
But Tradeblock trade, this one went good. This is something that at least I wanted to make a video on, and I might wear because I don't have.
That was a combo right there.
I don't have Chicago. I have bread. I don't have Chicago. That's it, right?
Yeah.
I think that's so.
Yeah.
But I wanted to get them here, and you will have already seen the shoe that I traded for this. I wish I knew it, but I didn't want that shoe, and it was not the Bad Bunny. This was the Bad Bunny. I wish I remembered which one. Either way, I didn't really want it, and I didn't think I was going to make a whole lot of money on it, like extra cash. They were worth about the same, so it's like, let's do it. So thanks to my trader. I hope that he is subbed to my YouTube now, because my Tradeblock name is Super Dan Shoe Man, and I think it has no spaces. I'll put that up here too. You've already seen that. So go follow me on Tradeblock, because I got a whole bunch of shoes in here that cycle through Tradeblock and make me a decent trade. Please do not say, hey, I will trade you my, that has money, that's worth money.
Travis Scott one low.
I'll trade you my Travis Scott one low that's worth $1,700 for 9 of your $200 Jordans, including, what's a $200? Including your patent breads, your icy dead stock patent breads. So you're basically saying you got to give me resale for my shoe, and I'm going to give you retail for your shoe. Don't do that, because I'm not that stupid. I don't know why people think that people are that stupid. Like, I mean, we're $5 off. Fine. If you're offering me a shoe that I want, then that's fine. But when you want resale for yours and you're only going to give me retail for mine, I'm going to decline it. I don't want to get inundated with those kind of dumb offers. So, but please follow me because I got a lot of shoes here, and I do want more shoes, even or new shoes, even ones that I'm not terribly interested in. So I got to do it for the vibes, right?
Yeah.
For the vibes, for YouTube.
Yeah,
I gotta
right,
make some
for
more
YouTube.
content. Gotta make some more
For ShoeTube.
ShoeTube. That's what this was for. So if you are interested in a Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago, and you don't want to pay hundreds that you would have to pay for the real one, get this one. It's a golf, but it looks the part on foot other than the big swoosh. Most people aren't even going to be able to tell that that's not what it is. This is completely and totally wearable. You don't need to do anything to it like resole it like people were talking about doing with the Jordan 4 that was just trash upper compared to how this is pretty much what you get with a normal Jordan. I mean, it's not exactly, but it's also waterproof, so it's not going to stain and get all dirty. You don't have to go out and use some Rejuvenator or any kind of waterproofer on this because it's waterproof, and I think that card that's in there says waterproof guaranteed for like 2 or 3 years. So do it.
Just do it.
You bet. Thanks for being here. MVS Most Valuable Sub is going to win the grand prize for the 2,000 sub giveaway. So if you want to be the most valuable sub, make sure you're watching all the videos, smashing the like button on all the videos, tell your friends to help us get to 2,000 subs, and make sure you're commenting something pertinent that I talk about from this video so that I know that you're really watching it all the way through and that you are engaged in the content. Because the more you're engaged in the content and watching the videos, the more YouTube is going to show other people. That's why I want my most valuable sub to show me that. And you can only really prove that to me on a consistent basis by commenting. So I appreciate those comments. There's a couple of y'all, one in particular that's really standing out as the most valuable sub. He's going to have to keep it up though. And actually there's a couple that are pretty much up there. XL, whatever, it's just a bunch of initials.
No, I was just looking.
He's definitely leading the pack. Although the grandma that watches, she's pretty good too. She comes in spurts though, like she'll watch 10 videos with really good comments, and then like 2 weeks later another 10 videos. So thanks to all of y'all though for all the support.
Maybe she's a secret spy, and she can't have her phone.
No, maybe she just gets her phone taken from her.
Yeah, that's probably it.
But thanks for being here. Thanks for all the support. You'll see this next Tradeblock video coming up pretty soon, and this will be my 4th Tradeblock trade, I think, or my 3rd. I don't know. It doesn't really matter which one was which. But stay tuned for that. Plenty more fire unboxings coming. I mean, we unboxed all of these. I think actually for the first time in a long time. I got nothing coming right now. Like nothing's on the way. I mean, it doesn't mean we're running dry, but
yeah, we have like 40,000 videos on the way.
So thanks a lot for letting me be able to do this for y'all. I appreciate it. See you next time.
You're so pretty.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.